Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to control your computer using just hand gestures, just pure AI magic. For more amazing projects, to subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. First, go to the search bar, type VS Code and open it. Once VS Code is open, create a new file by clicking Now. Save the file as juice.py. First, we need to install MediaPipe and OpenCV for hand tracking. Open the terminal and type pip install MediaPipe OpenCV Python. Now that we have installed MediaPipe and OpenCV, let's start coding. Okay, type the code and I'll follow along. Now that we have written the code, let's open the terminal and run our script to check the output. Now that our AI-powered hand gesture control system is working, let's try different gestures and see how they work. It's working perfectly. If you need the full code for this project, check out the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. That way, you'll get more interesting videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.